Today I'm making air fryer breakfast pastries. First, on a cutting board I have 1 sheet of puff pastry. Next I'm going to cut the puff pastry into 9 pieces. Now I have a piece of puff pastry. I'm going to add some cream cheese and raspberry jam. Next I'm going to wet all 4 sides and fold it over and press it down to seal it. Then I'm going to poke the top with a fork. Next I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the puff pastry. Then I'm going to add the breakfast pastries into the air fryer and bake this at 375 for 9 minutes. While the breakfast pastries are baking, I'm going to make some icing, so in my bowl I have 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of heavy cream. Next I'm just going to mix that up. Then I'm going to add another teaspoon of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Once the breakfast pastries came out of the air fryer, I'm just adding some icing onto each one. Here's an up close look at the air fryer breakfast pastries.